my YouTube channel. This is gonna be a video of how to be a baddie. Yes, a baddie. I know it's been a while that I haven't posted on YouTube, but I'm back and I'm with the video, so like, you know. So what I start off with when I get ready is this e.l.f. moisturizing daily hydration moisturizer. My mom bought me this like a while back, but as you can tell, I'm still using it. It has like makeup on it because I leave it in my makeup drawer. So all I do is just like put some of this like that and squeeze. Like I like this because I just really like it a lot. So now that I got that, you just wanna put it around your face. That's why I am doing this. Let me tell you guys, I'm making this video because I want to help my girls out, and especially because I've been there. I've been in a spot where I was insecure and I felt horrible and I felt ugly, or like, you know, like sometimes there's days where I'm just not in the mood and I'm just sad, like really sad, and like I feel like crying, but I suck it up and I deal with life. And I try not to show my emotions a lot, but I'm not saying you have to hold your tears in. If you gotta let stuff out, let it out. Next thing what I do is my eyebrows. So I'm finna get onto that and I'm finna show you guys what I use on my eyebrows. Just clean out the shower, so like I don't have nothing on my face. So while I'm doing my eyebrows, well, before I do my eyebrows, I'll show you guys what I use. I use this Pearl concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And it's kind of fucked up because I mean I've been using it for a while, but this is what I use. And the brushes that I use is this brush. It's like just like flat brush and then the angled brush. I'm not a beauty guru, so like I think that's what they're called. Then I use this LA Brow pomade, which I had got. Yeah, I'm gonna get another one. So first thing what I do is I get this. I get some of my pomade. And I go ahead and start with the bottom of my eyebrow, and I'm gonna try to like show you guys what I do. All I do is go ahead and under my brow, I outline it. This is like a small tutorial. I'm not gonna do like a full-on tutorial of this. I'll probably make like a separate video, but I'm just gonna show you guys what I do. I really just like outline it, like the bottom and the top, and then I go in and I fill it in. It's like it start off with the tail, or like the calf. They kind of look thick right now. I don't really like my eyebrows looking too thick, but I mean, no one. So now that I got that, and I just go ahead and like fill it in. How do I do that? I normally use my spoolie, but like I couldn't find it, so I'm gonna use this old edge brush that I used to use for my edges. And basically I'm just gonna brush it out, because you want to like blend it, and you don't want it to be like, I don't know, you just want to like comb it out. Next thing I do is I go ahead and get my concealer and I squeeze it like on my hand.
And I go ahead and get some of that. So
right there. And then I go ahead and get my brush that I use, and I go ahead and outline my eyebrows. So I go ahead and I start with the bottom of my eyebrow, and I go ahead and outline this. Like, this is a huge step. Like, it makes a difference in your eyebrows. Like, I do on my eyebrows is I go ahead and get like a towel, and then I go ahead and wipe the top off. I want to like blend it in because I lost my beauty blender, so lately all I've been using is my finger. So yeah, then you want to go ahead and blend the bottom of your eyebrow, which I do like the same with 2 little fingers. I I go in my middle finger to pat like down the eyelid, and that's what helps me. Because I don't have a beauty blender, so like, and I haven't bought one. Then you want to kind of like bring like your finger upwards. Now the next thing I do is my mascara, and then I put on my lashes. So yeah. So what I do is I go ahead and get my eyelash curler, and I curl my lashes. So just go ahead and go to the mirror, tell yourself you are beautiful and you're that bitch. You're that bitch that's gonna make it in life. You really just got yourself to depend on, because I mean sometimes people could switch up and leave your life and move on to lashes. So after you just curl your lashes, you want to go ahead and put on mascara, and the mascara that I use is this mascara. And yeah, I go ahead and put some on my lashes. Okay, now once you have mascara on the top of your eyelids, you want to go ahead and the bottom lashes, and you want to go ahead and do your bottom lashes. After I put on mascara, I go ahead and put on my lashes, because lashes just make everything better for me. And the lashes that I use are from my brand, so like I have them in this little container, but I'm gonna be selling these, and if you want some, they're like $8. They're cheap and they work wonderful. And this is probably like my 5th time using these, because I take them off and I store them away in this. Here they are. They're Baddie. So if you want to purchase some lashes, they're gonna be launching out soon, so make sure you follow the page Glammies, so you guys can stay updated and know when the stuff are gonna be launching. I get my lashes, and I get my adhesive glue on that line. So it's just pretty. So now we're gonna go ahead and put them on. So you want to try to get it as close to your lash line as possible. So these lashes are bomb as fuck. The next thing I do is my highlight. So my brush, and then I use this thing that I got from my mom. This is like NYX like contour thing, but I go ahead and I use this one here. It's pretty beat up, but like I just use the highlight and stuff. So then I go ahead and get like the highlight, and I highlight my cheekbones. And I feel like highlighting is like so fun, like honestly. So this is like my Baddie makeup routine, like extra, you know. Then I highlight your nose and slowly go like that. I don't like having it too harsh right here, like too much highlight. I just like a little bit, and then a lot on my cheekbones. Now once you are like done highlighting, this lip gloss here, I made this gloss. You can purchase it on my site, because I'm gonna be making these in squeeze tubes. Not in these tubes. I'm gonna be making them in squeeze tubes. So if you want one, then go ahead and make sure you follow my brand page, so then you can stay updated when I launch these lashes and this gloss. This gloss is really bomb. So and I just like put it on. And then I go ahead and I clean up like around it with a Q-tip, like my Baddie makeup look. So now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna look for an outfit, and I already have an outfit picked out. which I got from Fashion Nova. This is going to be the outfit I'm gonna put on. So I'm gonna change out my robe and I'm gonna go into this outfit. So then now I changed into my outfit from Fashion Nova. So here it is this like, it's a matching set. It's this like cropped hoodie with these like soft sweats. Next thing I do is my hair. So we're gonna go ahead and do our hair now. Honestly, I'm not going out anywhere, so right after this video I'm gonna go ahead and take off this whole outfit because I'm gonna save it for another day for pictures and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. So and I go ahead and go with this hair polisher mist and spray my hair. This is a bomb edge tamer. It's from Divine Extensions. So like, this works so well. I love it so much, and it also smells like ginger. So I love this, and I recommend you get it. So I'll be putting the link in the bio for this, you know, because it should leave your edges popping. So it's my edge tamer, and I just go ahead and get it on my edges, and I go ahead, I don't know how to explain it. I just go ahead and brush it downwards, and then I swoop upwards like that, and then you can get more if you need more. And this edge tamer works really nice, like look at that. And it's also like sweat proof. And do the rest of our edges. So we're gonna go ahead and put more here. I'm gonna go ahead and brush that downwards and then swoop like that. We're gonna go ahead and do like 4 only, because do more if you want, but I prefer to just do 4. And then I go ahead and then I go in on my brush and I go ahead and brush the hairs down. So there we got our edges done. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna put on hoop rings. Just gonna put everything together. Like, hoop rings is a must, you know. And we go ahead and put them in. And this is our complete look, which is really pretty. You can take so many cute pictures. Look like some cute bad bitches. So this is how to look like a baddie, and this is hella fucking cute. Like, this is a look. This is a motherfucking look. So let's go outside, you know, let's go get that sunlight and stuff. Look at the highlight, like it's hella, we're blinding bitches today. We really are. Alright, let me here's our outfit, here's our look. Look at this, it's hella cute. Like this video if you guys want to see more videos, and if you guys want to see a video of how I do my own nails, so stay tuned for that. If you guys want a get ready with me, or like how I keep my skin clear, like go ahead, subscribe, because those videos are coming soon. Well, I'm gonna go inside, but okay. So you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like the video, you know, because I look like a whole ass baddie and you guys can look like one too. So Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family because we're baddies and we poppin', you know. And I'm finna go now. And I'll see you guys until the next video. Bye, guys.